In this video, I will show you how to download and install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. First, open the Steam app on your computer and sign in with your Steam account. If you don't have an account yet, click Create a free account, complete the registration process, and then sign in. Once you're on the Steam homepage, use the search bar to search for Grand Theft Auto 5. Open the game's page. If prompted, select your birth date and click View Page to continue. Scroll down and click Add to Cart, then select View My Cart. Click Continue to Payment, choose your preferred payment method, and enter the required payment and billing information. Complete the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. After purchasing the game, go to the Library tab and select Grand Theft Auto 5 from your game library. Click Install. Choose the installation location if needed, and wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Play to launch GTA 5 and start enjoying the game. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.